Geometry OST Spring 2019 release test items. Question number 2. A circle with center L contains points J and K. Circle L is dilated by a scale factor or by a factor of 2, resulting in a new circle with center P. Points M and N are on circle P such that the central angle MPN has the same measure as the central angle JLK. Which statement correctly identifies the relationship between the arc length of JK and the arc length of MN? So this is a mashup of topic 7 with similarity and dilations and topic 10 on arc length. So let me draw these pictures, right? So circle L points J and K. So here's circle L, and let's call J right there. And let's go K right there, right? It has a radius R and a central angle, let's call it N degrees. So now we're going to dilate it by a scale factor of 2. It's going to be twice as big, right? So now we have circle P. So P is here. We're going to dilate by a scale factor of 2. So now your radii are going to be 2R, but M and N are going to be on this picture so that the angle stays the same. So this is M. We'll call that N. So this is still in degrees, but now your radii are just double what they were, so 2R. And they want to know, how does the arc length of JK compare to the arc length of MN? So let's do the two formulas, right? So to find the length, S of arc JK, we're going to take the central angle N out of 360 and multiply it by the circumference, right, arc length, which is 2 pi R. And I'll do P in blue. To find the arc length of MN, we're going to take the central angle, which is still N, divided by 360. And now we're going to multiply by 2 pi. And now this time the radius is 2R. So the only difference here is this 2. So we have, if we try to simplify this, I mean, what I want to see is what's different, right? The only difference between this formula and this formula is the 2, right? So the length of arc MN is going to be twice JK. The length of MN is going to be 2 times JK. So the length of arc MN is going to be 2 times the length of arc JK because it has this extra 2. Everything else is the same. Well, I don't see that as a choice, right? The length of arc MN is 1/4. All the length of MN is half. No, so it's not B, it's not D. So then if you spin this around, if the length of MN is 2 times JK, then if you divide this by 2 on both sides, that gives you that the length of JK is 1/2 the length of arc MN. JK is half the length of MN, and that's going to be this answer right there, choice A. So a little bit of similarity and arc length there.